Okay.
Dr. Karmalkar is the Vice Chancellor of the Pune University, sir.
Okay, so with your permission, shall I start the event, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. Go
Okay.
ahead. I'm sorry.
Yes, I request the team to please play the college video. Thank you very much, team, for playing this video. So, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. This is Jayashree Sridhar, a faculty member and PGDM coordinator. On behalf of National Insurance Academy, feel privileged to welcome honored guests for today. It's Professor Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, Vice Chancellor, Savitribai Phule University, Pune. Mr. M.R. Kumar, Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation of India and Chairman, Governing Board, NIA. Mr. G. Srinivasan, Director, NIA, and Dr. Sanjay Mari, Principal, NIA. Governing Board members of NIA, the graduating students of 1921 batch, parents, faculty members, and staff at NIA for this virtual convocation ceremony of PGDM batch 1921. Again, talent and skills are like the crops that are taken care with love, nurtured, groomed, and provided all possible opportunities to grow and bloom. Students of this batch 1921 were also given all such needed grooming for their professional growth by the esteemed faculty members, and today is the day to celebrate the harvest of this crop. Yes, it's a day full of enjoyment, a day about pride and accomplishment, a day of celebration. But unfortunately, this year also we are having the event on virtual platform in lieu of COVID protocols. Convocation is an event that brings up the feelings of excitement, pride, anticipation, and gives a sense of achievement and responsibility towards fulfilling their commitments by the students. As per our tradition, we invoke Goddess Saraswati's blessing by lighting the lamp. Since this is a virtual program, we will be lighting the lamp virtually. I request the team to start the video of lighting.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Thank you very much. That was a wonderful starting. So moving ahead, I take the privilege of introducing our director, Mr. G. Srinivasan, who will be delivering the warm welcome address for this program. Before he starts his address, I'll give a very brief introduction of Mr. G. Srinivasan. Sir joined the National Insurance Academy as director in December 2018 after superannuating from New India Assurance Company, where he was serving as chairman cum managing director for more than 6 years. Prior to that, he was the chairman cum managing director of South-based public sector undertaking, this United India Insurance Company, and he has more than 38 years of experience in general insurance industry, both in India and abroad. He's a very well-known name in the Indian financial sector. He's also longest-serving CMD of public sector insurance companies. He was also the president of Insurance Institute of India, Mumbai, and ever since he joined NIA, he has been the guiding star for the faculty members and has been successful in bringing the best out of us in the field of education and learning. And to tell you, under his able guidance, NIA has been successful in maintaining its legacy of 100% placement. So with this brief introduction, sir, I hand over the mic to you. You can take this, you can deliver the special address. Welcome address, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Jayashree, for the introduction. Good morning to all the participants of this virtual convocation program. Respected Vice Chancellor Savitribai Phule Pune University, Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, respected Chairman of LIC and Chairman of our Governing Board, Mr. M.R. Kumar, respected Governing Board members who are present here, my dear students of the 2019-21 batch who are being bestowed the postgraduate diploma in management, my dear parents, students, professors and other colleagues from National Insurance Academy, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first extend a very hearty welcome to all of you to this virtual convocation. We decided to go for a virtual program because the pandemic is still there, though maybe at a slightly smaller level. We didn't want to take any chance. That's the reason why we went for a virtual convocation. Hopefully the next year's convocation will be physical. Let's hope and pray for it. Let me first extend a special welcome to Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, Vice Chancellor of Pune University, for taking his valuable time to attend this convocation, deliver the convocation address. We realize that he has been extremely busy, especially with some foreign delegations being present in his university. Dr. Karmalkar is a very renowned academician who has a large number of research papers to his credit. He has immensely contributed to the growth of the Savitribai Pune University by bringing it to the top 10 of the Indian universities, and has also expanded the university abroad by setting up overseas centers. His contribution to the new education policy framework is also commendable. So thank you very much, sir, for being here to deliver the convocation address. My special welcome to our governing board chairman and chairman of LIC, Mr. M.R. Kumar, who has spared his precious time in being here. I mean, all of us know that he's extremely busy at this point of time in ensuring that LIC gets listed in the next couple of months. During this busy time, he has spared his valuable time to be here. So thank you very much for participating in this program. So to talk a few words about National Insurance Academy, we have been in existence for the last 41 years, and we really emerged as an institution of eminence in the field of insurance education, learning and training, as well as consultancy. Our flagship PGDM program, we have been doing it for last so many years, and it's been recognized as a program of great quality in the country and also by the employers. The students who passed out of the National Insurance Academy are today, occupying key leadership positions in the insurance and technology industry, not only in India, but also in USA, Singapore, Middle East, and also in many of the European countries. We have been maintaining a 100% placement track record ever since we commenced this program. This year also the students had 100% placement on day one. In fact, within half a day, all the students were placed. There was so much demand and some of the employers had to go empty-handed. This is largely because of the quality the students really bring to the table. The highest compensation this year was almost 29 lakhs for international placement. And for Indian placement, it was about 27 lakhs. The average compensation was more than 10 lakhs. The highest compensation, I'm very proud to say, was secured by a student who joined us from the Pune University. So there was a huge response to our students as they were found to be very competent and job ready on day one. And this year also we had many international placements. So my congratulations to all the students. The key strength of the academy, apart from the quality of education we bring to the table, is its strong industry connect. Faculty, both academicians as well as practitioners, and making our students entirely, employable immediately, which is a major challenge today. Industries talk about students coming from the academic environment. NA also trains about 8,000 insurance professionals from the insurance industry, both from India and abroad, in various facets of insurance, technology, and risk management. NA also focuses on research in a big way. I'm glad to point out that we are a recognized PhD center of the Savitribai Pune University, and many students have secured doctorates through this PhD center. Dear students, you have worked very hard, and there's a time to celebrate. You have rightfully earned this PG diploma. All of you are very well employed. My compliments to every one of you. My compliments to your parents as well, who stood by you, has made a lot of sacrifices, making sure that, you get this education and you do well. So please make sure that you, make them proud. They are very proud of you at this point of time. My congratulations to all the professors and other faculty members, and other administrative staff who really played an important role in ensuring that, the students get a good education and everything is taken care of. The quality of any institution depends on the quality of the faculty members and professors. And we are very fortunate to have a very committed and high quality faculty members who have been able to deliver, high quality of education to the students. Dear students, their life, entire life lies before you. You're just at the beginning of your, life as well as your official career. Please do your best to be successful in your career, life. Remember, means are more important than the end. Make sure that you follow highest standards of integrity and ethics in whatever you do. Always keep in mind that you are brand ambassadors of the National Insurance Academy. You must bring laurels to our academy by your contribution to your companies as well as to the society at large. All of you have to play a very important role as a responsible citizen of this country. India needs you, very, very badly. India has to really, develop in various, though we have done very well over the last many decades, we still have a long way to go in ensuring that every Indian gets an equal opportunity in this country in terms of education, livelihood. You should ensure that you contribute to the growth and prosperity of our nation and all our fellow citizens. Let me wish you all the best. Let me once again extend a hearty welcome to all the dignitaries. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the heartwarming welcome address. Now it's my pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to Mr. M.R. Kumar, Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation of India and Chairman, Governing Board. So, for giving me the special address for today. Sir has been associated with us for many years, and I take the privilege of introducing him before he gives his special address. Mr. M.R. Kumar took charge as Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation of India on 14th of March. I request all the participants to please mute their mics. I request all the participants to please mute their mics as it disturbs the entire ceremony. So, as I was telling, he took charge. He took charge as Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation of India on 14th March 2019. He joined LIC of India in 1983 as a Direct Recruit Officer. In a career spanning more than 3.5 decades, he has had the unique privilege of heading 3 zones of LIC of India, that is Southern Zone, Central Zone, and Northern Zone, headquartered at Chennai, Kanpur, and Delhi, respectively. He also headed 2 prestigious divisions, that is Ahmedabad in Western Zone and Ernakulam in Southern Zone, as Senior Division Manager. He was also Regional Manager Marketing and Regional Manager P&IR at Kolkata and Chennai. So during his tenure, several initiatives were rolled out for the benefit of the employees. His very rich experience working pan-India, right from north to south and east to west, including the heartland states of India, while heading Kanpur zone, has given him a deep insight into the demographics and insurance potential of the country. And moreover, working in different streams of life insurance management, that is administrative, marketing, group, and social securities, has certainly given him the twin advantage of enriched knowledge and clarity on processes and procedures in life insurance industry. Thank you very much, sir, for taking out time from your busy schedule to come on board and address the gathering and to deliver the special address. Over to you, sir. Thank you. Sir, you are muted, sir.
You can hear me now, right?
Yes.
So yes, good morning to everybody. Chief guest of the day, Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, Vice Chancellor, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Mr. G. Srinivasan, Director, National Insurance Academy. Members of the Governing Board present here today. Chair Professors, Mr. Venugopal, Mr. Satyakumar, Principal Dr. Sanjay Mali, faculty and staff members of NIA, of course, the students who are the heroes today, who are graduating today, and their parents were present. Let me first start by congratulating all of you graduating today. This convocation marks a milestone of an important phase in each of your lives. As Mr. Srinivasan said, you worked very hard to gain insights and inculcate right values acquiring the knowledge required in your core subjects. And the time has come for you to start creating dreams of your own, visualizing your future, both on the personal front and on the professional front. I believe that today's business leaders need to be experts not only in marketing, finance, and management. They also need to be conscientious global citizens. I think this was also spoken about by Mr. Srinivasan. I know for a fact that students coming out of NIE understand this. They know how to conduct themselves. They know how to be part of the global insurance community. And most importantly, they understand the processes and perspectives within different cultures. Insurance education is more than just ensuring students, pass. It's about showing them how to meaningfully engage in a society, in a globally increasing world where insurance is a field which cuts across different sectors. Everyone at NIA firmly believes that creating diverse student teams is the best way to prepare students to engage in the global business stage. The more the students practice collaboration with variety of thinkers, the better prepared they'll be to work with business leaders across the globe. Now that all of you have been placed, congratulations once again for that, in insurance or allied sectors, it's important that you accept the fact that you are now a part of the corporate world. And more importantly, a very, very competitive world. Entering into this phase will make you stronger, reliable, and more importantly, very responsible citizens of the country. As you go forward, you'll understand that there'll be a constant demands on you. There'll be constant expectations to improve your skills by finding practices, newer ways of working, and to survive in this very competitive world. Therefore, let me tell you this, that you must constantly learn. Even though you're graduating today, the learning should not stop. You should never shut down the process of learning. In fact, let me tell you very frankly, at LIC, me and my colleagues, we continue to learn. And as LIC, as Srinivasan said, we are very busy with the process of IPO. It's a learning curve which we never imagined. And therefore, for you, I say the same thing. Constantly, please learn. Accept any form of challenges that come your way. And always be ahead of the curve. And for that, you will need to develop a very progressive mindset and a constant ability to aim for success. As a young professional, your services to the country are reflections of where you have studied, especially your post-graduation, which is from this premier and renowned institute, National Insurance Academy. You must develop a habit to think differently, therefore, welcome change, accept challenges, and be ready to work hard and contribute to the organization which you have entered already. Insurance in India is growing very fast. It's poised for very big growth in the coming decade, with very high insurance awareness created also by the COVID, with the high economic growth that the country is witnessing, and transformation in the way of doing things, the digital innovations, the AI, blockchain, Internet of Things that is happening. And this will have a profound impact on the industry. Disruptive technologies, huge data sets will continue to shape the global insurance industry. And this growth, friends, will be facilitated by the growing young population, and you're part of that. Very vibrant distribution channels, product innovation, and as I said, the use of digital in a very big way. I think you must be the first batch of PGDM who have done totally online. We couldn't do any classroom. We couldn't come over here, but then you are probably the first batch who've done online totally. Therefore, all of you have learned on the virtual mode. You've also cleared all the examinations. Everything has happened the virtual. Placement has also been virtual. That is really unique. I must congratulate all of you and the entire NIA team for successfully completing this mission. As you go along, you will face many, many more challenges. So therefore, I would like to close with this quote by Steve Jobs. All of you know who he is. He says, sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. I am convinced that the only thing that kept me going was that I loved what I did. You've got to find what you love. With these words and very big congratulations once again, I will close now. Wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your very extraordinary and motivating speech. I'm sure these things carry a lot of weightage and our students are benefited by your kind words. Thank you once again. So moving ahead, I think we will focus on today's ceremony. That is the presentation of degrees for PGDM batch 1921. To start with, the students started off their journey in the year 2019. They're from different religion, culture, ethnicities, and all of them came together to learn and grow professionally. Probably they are, like sir was telling, they're unique batch, sir. They had to learn 2 trimesters they completed in the campus, and the balance 4 trimesters, examination, everything went off on virtual mode because of the COVID. During the lockdown, they showed a lot of perseverance, patience, facing the world and the placement with all the brevity and gravitas. The degree earned by all of them is a result of dedication, hard work, and also fighting spirit against all adversities. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us here as I present the list of candidates qualified for the degree by the Academy. I take pride in announcing the names of 92 students of batch 1921. I request the team to upload the presentation so that I can declare the names.
Madam, if you don't mind,
yes, sir.
Can I just say one thing, that though it is virtual, let us all, put our hands together once, at least once, for all the students who are graduating
absolutely,
today.
Sir. Absolutely. I request
Right?
all of you, please.
And you should hear a resounding, sound because let us make it lively. Right?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Because we are young people, they would love to probably jump. We can't do that virtually, but then, right.
Yes, sir. So we have a couple of students who are in the campus ready to take the lead, sir. So once the ceremony is over, they're all there in the campus. So some of them are there. So definitely. Thank you very much, the entire group, to joining hands for clapping together for the batch. Okay, so let us start the presentation.
मेरे कमरे में आते हैं ठीक है
Richa, can you mute
मम्मी कह रही
yourself?
कुछ खा लो
Richa, can you mute yourself?
ये वो तो है रुको
I
कमरे
request
को
all the
बाहर
participants to
निकलने
please
को
mute their video. We'll be in a position to listen to all the names then only. So, can someone navigate the presentation? Smriti Agarwal, Arun Arvind. No, I think we have gone behind. So we'll start with the first slide. Yeah. Thank you. So we start once again. Smriti Agarwal, Ankita Agarwal, Deepali Agarwal, Saili Sangpal Ambekar, Arun Arvind, Dhruval Avasthi, Amey Satish Viddur, Tanay Sandeep Birje, Shivani Madhukar Bobade, Gavesh Narayan Buravar, Gaurav Chaudhary, Siddhant Jankiram Chimangunde, Anaga Anil Chitade, Sweta Chaudhary, Shivani Chokse, Nikhil Dayal, Ankit Praveen Devlasi, Sudip Dhakad, Gaurav Ramlal Dubey, Sudiksha Divedi, Shardul Godgaonkar, can we move the slide? Nikhil Gupta, Shubham Gupta, Vaibhav Gupta. Aditi Jain, Isha Jain, Nikhil Jain. Can we go to the next slide? Gaurav Kumar Jaiswal, Palak Pradeep Jaiswal, Vishwajit Jalinder Gudagi. Next slide, please. Sumit, do we have any problem in moving the slide?
No, ma'am, we have moved to the next slide.
Madam, you can take the control.
JB Hari Prasad, Dipesh Jolde, Rahul Anil Kapadia. Anupam Narayan Karmarkar, Prajwal Katiyar, Soumya Khanderiwal. Anurag Kothari, Abhinav Kumar, Vipul Kumar. Neha Kumari, Madhav S, Shivani Mahajan. Romita Malik, Bhavin Bhai, Nanji Bhai, Malsadar. Ayush Maurya, Devarshi Devdatta Mai, Kanishka Midha. Brunalini Mishra, Prapti Mishra, Samriddhi Mishra. Shobhit Mishra, Kshitija Yogendra Mohan, Anuj Avinash Moon. Meenal Namdev, Aparna G. Nath, Divyashri Nath. Rakhi Paul, Ranjit Pandey, Prajesh P.P. Adna Prakash, Kumari Pooja, Rashmi Rai. Jaisurya Raj, Aditya Singh Rajput, Sangamitra Saha. Anil Kumar Sahu, Kapil Sahu, Dharmil Hiren Sanghani. Sumit Rajendra Satpute, Pranav Saxena, Vinit Saxena. Ankit Pramod Shingare, Yashi Srivastav, Vaibhav Singh. Shubhangi Solanki, Richa Soni, Astha Srivastav. Prakhar Sulere, Surabhi, Anushri Surabhi. Tanmay Tanavade, Ankit Thakur, Sanket Rajendra Tilekar. Apurva Tiwari, Aparna Kanayalal Tiwari, Vishnu Gopal V.S. Shivani Verma, Saket Vikram, Tarun Vishwakarma. Saurya Raja, Himanshu Srivastav, Pranjal Sharma. Thank you very much. This was the list of 92 students of 1921 batch who are graduating. Thank you very much. I wish all the congratulations and all the best to all the participants. Thank you. So, thank you team for uploading the presentation. So, sir, moving ahead, convocation ceremonies basically mark major transitional moments in one's life, especially students' life. Students, what do they do? They celebrate all the hard work they put into education and achievements, and now they look forward to the future. Through the years of college, students would have made new friends, developed new skills, discovered new things about themselves. And it can be extremely difficult to summarize these experiences into a single graduation. So what they have done is they have prepared a small video for us, and we have with us that video which is prepared by the students of batch 1921, depicting the emotions of love, memories of their days spent in the campus where they participated in various activities. I request the team to upload the video. Let us watch the video now. Sumit, there is no sound. Can you just make the audio also active?
पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती, और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे।
ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, ओ किसे कम दी नी ये महंगी कार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, ओ किसे कम दी नी ये महंगी कार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। ओ भी सी समा ए भी है समा, समय ते चले जोर ना, ओही है भी अंबरां दी चां मेरे नाल होर कोई ना, ओ मैनू चढ़दी ना बिना मेरे यार शराबी यार मोड़ दो, ओ मैनू चढ़दी ना बिना मेरे यार ओ शराबी यार मोड़ दो। ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। जेब विच कैश काढ़ने पे पर दिल कवे मंगा मैं उधार, अक गया मैं झूठियां तारीफां नाल चेते आउंदा यारां दा प्यार, जेड़ी बनदी सी हाँ जेड़ी बनदी सी हर शनिवार ओ कार विच बार मोड़ दो, जेड़ी बनदी सी हर शनिवार कार विच बार मोड़ दो। ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। यारो कर चले हम तुम्हें अलविदा, साथ कल थे तेरे होंगे हम अब जुदा, यारो कर चले हम तुम्हें
अलविदा साथ कल थे तेरे होंगे हम अब जुदा क्यों है रुआ सा ये पल ऐ वक्त तू बता क्या साथ ये छूटेगा क्या होंगे हम गुमशुदा मिलके बिछड़ना क्यों किस्मत में लिखा यारा जान हो तुम मेरी करता हूँ शुक्रिया 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 ना 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 ना
Okay. That was a batch video prepared by 1921 batch. I hope you enjoyed it. So, now that we have awarded the degrees to batch 1921, it's time for us to approach the highlights of today's program, that is the convocation address by our chief guest. It gives me immense pleasure and I feel privileged to welcome and introduce our honorable chief guest for today, Professor Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, Vice Chancellor of Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Born on 11/1/1962 in a small coastal village of Sindhudurg district, Maharashtra, Professor Karmalkar obtained his BSc degree from the famous Rajaram College, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and MSc and PhD from the University of Pune. He has made significant research contribution in the field of igneous petrology, geochemistry, and environmental geology. He has worked as a teacher, researcher, academic administrator in a professional career spanning more than 28 years. He is currently working as a professor in Department of Geology and head of Department of Environmental Science at Savitribai Phule University, India. Professor Karmalkar has research interest in igneous petrology with special emphasis on the mantle, petrography and geochemistry, rift-related alkaline magnetism and economic geology. Student-centric personnel who is very easy to be approached. He has not only been able to dynamically change the educational and cultural landscape of the Pune University, but also has provided wisdom and leadership to other institutions of repute and excellence. Professor Karmalkar has successfully guided 4 PhDs, published 61 research papers in national and international journals, and has edited 3 research volumes and written several articles in Marathi for the popularization of science. Sir took over as Vice Chancellor of Savitribai Phule University on 18th May 2017. He is actively involved as a member of Academic Council in Savitribai Phule University, Chairman of Board of Studies in Environmental Science, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Coordinator of Board of Studies in Geology for the year 2016 and 17. He is also the recipient of prestigious Professor C. Naganna Gold Medal of the Mineralogical Society of India, Mysore, for contributions in the field of alkaline magnetism of the Kutch region, Gujarat. All these initiatives in the field of education and research have resulted in the establishment of a benevolent symbiotic association amongst the various stakeholders in the university system, thereby forecasting teamwork, partnerships, improved ranking, improved efficiency, and better public perception. We are really very honored to have such an esteemed personality amongst us. I request sir to please deliver the convocation address. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good morning, respected G. Srinivasan, Director, National Insurance Academy. Respected M.R. Kumar, Chairperson, LIC of India and Chairman NIA Governing Body, members of the Governing Body, Principal Mali sir, and the students who are graduating or other already been graduated, the degree has been awarded, So I congratulate wholeheartedly every one of you, including your parents, because we have passed through a very tough time, that is COVID-19, which engulfed basically every nook and corner of the world, and wherein obviously the education was hit very badly. We had to move on to online education. Although I looked at the video, perhaps you got some time at least to do a little peer learning and sharing with each other and all that. And that is what education is all about. It's just not the knowledge that you gain, but actually staying together, living together, sharing each other's ideas. That is what basically makes life easy. And wherever, whatever situation you are subjected to, you perhaps can sail through properly. But unfortunately, a major part of your education has happened in online mode. And that, in fact, was a challenge for every one of us, including the Savitribai Phule University, which perhaps is the largest structure. We have 7.5 lakh students getting graduated every year, and conducting basically online education of those 7.5 lakh, as well as conducting their examination, was a Herculean task. Although we speak about technology and all that, it's good to speak about, but actually working with it is always a very difficult task as such. I'm pretty sure every one of us now have adopted to this new version, new technology, new mode of education and all that. But it is my humble advice to you that although we learn everything online, but somewhere the sharing is also very important. The new technology like augmented reality, virtual reality, all those sounds very good. But at the same times, looking or visiting Hampi in group and sharing that experience physically is something very different than actually doing the same through augmented reality. So somewhere we should not actually miss that sharing things with each other as such. I'm going to actually give you a small story, a small interview that recently I listened to that was on BBC. And the interview was of the founder of the Dubai. His name is Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum. And during that interview, he was asked, what is going to be the future of Dubai? And to answer that, basically, he mentioned that my father was on camel. I'm in Mercedes. My son is on Land Rover. And my grandson is going to be from Land Rover. But my great grandson will be back on camel. So when we asked, like, what do you mean by that? What is that you actually intend to tell us? Then he replied, tough times create strong men. Strong men creates easy times. Easy time creates weak men. Weak men create tough times. So that is what basically a situation that we have passed through, a very tough and challenging situation. And in such a situation, we need to create warriors and not parasites. And that is basically perhaps in this particular institution that you must have learned while doing your post-graduation, the diploma in management, although it actually takes care of risk management. It's just not managing basically other things, but risk management is perhaps one of the important vertical that has been taught during this PGDM. So I'm pretty sure that the kind of knowledge that you must again perhaps have reached you to, because most of you are already got placed on the kind of salary structure that was spelled out by your esteemed director was flabbergasting, like 28 lakhs and 29 lakhs and all that. But somewhere I must tell you and caution you also, money is not everything that actually makes a man happy. Sometimes basically because in the present situation, especially when everything has been badly affected, severely affected, whether it is industry, whether it is education, whether it is economy. And in such a situation, basically many of the workers or many of the people have lost their jobs also. So somewhere when you are sitting at the helm of affairs as a manager, that empathy has to be around. Like you need to manage your human resources well. Industry can grow just not with the technology. It's actually basically the human touch is also required. And then the human beings are a very essential component of everything, whether it is industry, whether it is education sector, anything that you look at. So somewhere managing your human resources is also very important, and empathic. You have to be empathetic to every colleague of yours. So that is what is basically the need at the time. People to a great extent, because of this particular pandemic, many of them have lost their lives, many of them have lost their jobs. The income to a great extent has dwindled down considerably. And in such a scenario, the managers basically has to be very empathic. He has to have basically a kind of empathy towards his workers as such, or towards his colleagues, and that is what is the need of the time. I'm pretty sure that this is one of the very reputed institutions. Altogether, some 92 candidates have cleared this particular examination with flying colors, and the kind of faculty, in fact, that must have taught you comes from basically a very industry experience kind of a faculty. And then obviously the placement is also very good as such. But at the same time, somewhere we have to basically think about how do you bring back everything to normalcy. We've been talking about basically various sort of verticals been affected because of this COVID pandemic. Your role is going to be very important in bringing back normalcy to everything, to life, to basically the economy, to basically, I would say, the insurance sector that you're greatly actually been taught about. And from that point of view, you've got to play a very important role as such. Your chairman was actually mentioned about Steve Jobs. In fact, there is a convocation address famous of his delivered at the Stanford University way back in 2011. And then basically he passed away because of the cancer. So somewhere toward the end of his convocation, he mentions that he realized that basically that you have to live your own life. Don't live someone else's life, because time is very limited. Whatever that you do, basically, you do it with full commitment, with full conviction, and see to it that by doing that, basically, the societal, there's going to be a societal impact of it. The societal living is going to get impacted. It is going to get upgraded and so on and so forth. So somewhere you are going to play a very vital role. And therefore, wherever you go, empathy, and then second important thing, basically the value, ethics, those are pretty important, because in the present world of technology where everything has become the augmented reality or artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, machine learning. So somewhere basically all this technology is hovering over us. So in that, basically see to it that you don't lose your value system somewhere that has been taught. It actually, the teaching begins at home, and then it can great extent get groomed more into the institution as such, where you generally do your education. And from there, it needs to be translated in basically the industry wherein we are working. And that is what perhaps is the most important thing that a student graduate needs to follow. Shortcuts, many times writing a paper and all that, sometimes we have seen that everything is easily available in Google and other things. But Google gives the information. It doesn't have the depth that has been actually there when a teacher deliver a talk or a lecture in the class. The lecture basically has the depth, has the length and breadth which is not there. It is just the information that you perhaps would get in a Google platform, and many a times it is not a validated one. So sometimes basically just copying it and making use of it without acknowledging. These are the shortcut generally we follow. Be aware from all these kind of things as such. And that is how basically you have to actually see to it that whatever that you do is with passion, with full conviction, and with basically following the value system that has been nurtured in this very society as such. Because too much of a technology sort of a kind of, because there is these days there's a WhatsApp university been talked about many times. Whatever that comes to us, we just share it. We just forward it. It's not sharing basically without understanding the importance of it as well. So these are some of the things that needs to be looked at from a proper perspective as such. And therefore, you have an important role to play. I'm pretty sure the 2 years that we have put in over here, obviously a kind of hard work that we have put in has finally made you to achieve the degree that you are getting today. And that is not the end point as such, as the chairman was mentioning about. It's always a life learning. It's lifelong learning, we call it. Like you're always a student, wherever in whatever situation you are placed. Try to learn things more and more as such. And this own degree, because things are changing pretty fast, thick and fast as such. So whatever that has been taught to you perhaps would be of use to you maybe for another 3-4 years, and unless and until you add on some new things that perhaps would get added to your industry, and if unless and until you are not updated with it, perhaps you would lose the race. So you got to be on your toes every time, acquiring new things, acquiring new knowledge. So it's always a lifelong learning kind of thing. And that is what needs to be actually achieved every time. So with this, I'm pretty sure this is again an online kind of a convocation, although I would have loved to be there physically with you, because many times basically seeing basically your happy faces, smiling faces, that is what all we are missing. And that is what actually is the need of time. But anyway, although there are certain limitations in online sort of convocation, I'll have to keep myself also a little short and crisp. So once again, I congratulate every one of you, and I wish every one of you a wonderful career ahead, as well as a life ahead. Again, I'm grateful to the organizers for giving this small opportunity to have a little chat with you. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable address to our students. So tell you, this batch was extremely good in their performance. I know it is quite evident by their extraordinary achievements, but few students have stood out with their performance throughout the academic year, and the academy definitely recognized them with some special awards. We have well-wishers of NIA who have instituted medals and prizes to recognize and promote the efforts and talents budding at NIA. Yes, at NIA, we owe them our gratitude and thank them profusely for carrying on with the tradition. So before we announce the names of the students who are identified for such awards, we also wish to announce that the outstanding performance of Ms. Aditi Jain and Mr. Nikhil Dayal, who have done us proud by winning the RIMS instituted Anita Benedict Scholarship. Sir, it's a proud moment for NIA as our students have been recognized by RIMS every year since inception of this particular award. And this year also we have sent 5 entries, the results are awaited. I'm sure definitely we will get a couple of awards in this. So coming back to the sponsored awards, I would like to call out the stellar names of the students who are the winners of the awards and displayed exceptional professional qualities, academic excellence, and co-curricular participation. First one is Mahadev Narayan Parchuri Memorial Award. Dr. R.K. Parchuri, ex-faculty at NIA, initiated this award in fond memory of his father Mahadev N. Parchuri. This award consists of cash prize and a certificate for excelling in business and insurance law. So this award is shared by 3 of us, that is Saili, Saili Ambekar, Nikhil Dayal, and Aditya Singh Rajput. Second award, congratulations to all of you. Next award is Ram M. Moghe Memorial Prize. Dr. Kiran Ram Moghe has instituted an award in memory of his father, Ram M. Moghe, who was an LICian. The award consists of a gold medal and a certificate for the student excelling in life insurance stream. And for this year, the award goes to Ms. Shweta Chaudhary. Congratulations, Shweta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Third one, thank you. Third one is Lingaraj Mishra Gold Medal. The award consists of gold medal and a certificate for the student who scores highest marks in quantitative techniques. And this year, the award goes to Aparna G. Nath. Congratulations, Aparna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next award is Jagdir Boda Gold Medal. JB Boda and Company Limited, in memory of founding brothers of the firm, have instituted an award consisting of a gold medal and a certificate for all-round performance in general insurance stream. And the award for this year goes to Ms. Aditi Jain. Once again, congratulations, Aditi. Next award is Subhash Chandra Sarkar Memorial Prize. Shri Sushobhan Sarkar, ex-director at NIA, in memory of his father, Subhash Chandra Sarkar, has instituted an award consisting of a gold medal and a certificate for best student in economics. And the winner is Rashmi Rai. Congratulations, Rashmi. A sixth award is M.A. Aziz Ansari Gold Medal. Honorable ex-Vice President of India, Shri Hamid Ansari, and his elder brother, ex-Chair Professor of NIA and ex-member IRDA, Shri H. Ansari, have instituted in memory of their father, Shri M.A. Aziz Ansari, who was Controller of Insurance, an award consisting of a gold medal and a certificate for Best All-Round Student. This award is given to student who displays all-round performance in academics and extracurricular activities. And the winner for this award is Mr. Sudeep Dhakar, who also happens to be the CR for this batch. Congratulations, Sudeep. So next award is given by National Insurance Academy. National Insurance Academy awards a gold medal and a certificate for the best overall academic performance merit purely based on overall CGPI. And the winner for this award is Mr. Ranjit Pandey. Congratulations, Ranjit. Next is Hemlata Chandrasekhar Rolling Trophy. This award is instituted by P. Chandrasekhar to the student for best academic contribution. The student will also be given the replica of the trophy, a silver plate and a certificate. This award is given to students who not only displays excellent academic inclinations, but also excels in national and international academic forum. This award goes to Soumya Khandelwal. Congratulations, Soumya. Next in series is Marsh India Awards. Marsh India, in an endeavor to encourage upcoming talent, instituted 3 awards for 3 toppers of the batch. The students will be given a certificate and a cash prize of ₹50,000 for first topper, ₹30,000 for second topper, and 20,000 for third topper. The first topper is Ranjit Pandey. Congratulations, Ranjit. The second topper is Ms. Shweta Chaudhary. Congratulations, Shweta. And third topper is Vineet Saxena. Congratulations, Vineet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So we also have a very small video thanking the organization. Before we run the video, I'd like to say that for this present year, beginning with this batch, we have introduced a new curriculum, VAP, that is Value Addition Project, which is an integral part of the curriculum. It practically aims to develop innovative ideas in the field of insurance, insurtech, and allied subjects, and imbibe various aspects of project management amongst the students on a subject which is actually selected by the students in group And it's also comprising data collection. The activity comprises of data collection, analysis of the data, presentation after completion of the research. To encourage valuation project as a competitive activity, NIA has instituted 3 cash prizes. First best project, the award is for 15,000 rupees. Second best project, the award will be for 10,000 rupees. And third best project, the award is for 5,000 rupees. And to tell you, the first project was selected for group 11, and the student members were Nikhil Dayal, Ankit Devlasi, Aditi Jain, and Dharmil Sangnani. The topic was analyzing the emerging needs, scope and customer perception of retail cyber insurance with focus on distribution strategy. I congratulate them. Second prize goes to group number 9. The group student participants were Deepali Agarwal, Amey Beddur, Shweta Chaudhary, and Sudiksha Divedi, Ankit Thakur, Apurva Tiwari, and Pranav Saxena. The topic was motor portfolio. Why is it bleeding? The challenges and the solutions. Congratulations, group 9. And third prize goes to group number 5. And the student members are Romita Malik, Ranjit Pandey, Rashmi Rai, and Tarun Vishwakarma. The topic was peer-to-peer home insurance. Congratulations to the team. This is all about awards. I'll request the team to play the thank you video, which is prepared by the students who has got the awards.
Thank you so much to National Insurance Academy and all the teachers.
Hello everyone. I want to take this opportunity to thank National Insurance Academy for this award and for all the opportunities that the Academy has provided us to learn, develop and grow into a better individual.
I am grateful to be the recipient of this award for business and insurance laws. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and fine at your end. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my faculty members and my batchmate at NIA. Thank you for encouraging me and for all the opportunities that NIA gave me and make these 2 years so memorable. Once again, thank you.
Thank you so much for the award, and thanks to the management and faculty members.
Thank you so much for this award and recognition. Everyone who has been a part of this journey, I wholeheartedly thank you and express my sincere gratitude.
Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Rai, PGDM batch of 2019-21. It would be a great honor to receive this award. Thank you National Insurance Academy, faculty and staff, postgraduates, and last but not the least, dear friends and family, for their unconditional support in my journey and transforming my dreams into reality. Thank you.
Thank you for honoring me with this. Thanks to our leaders, be it directors or principals, sir, our chair professors who are leading by example. Also thanks to our professors who taught us the technicalities with respect to insurance, and our batch coordinators, PGP coordinator, placement head, and more importantly my batchmates. I have learned a lot from every single person out there, and I am very sure this batch is gonna contribute a lot to this industry. And I still remember the day when I walked in this beautiful campus just to meet all the beautiful people out here. And at that point in time, I had almost nothing. And today I am blessed to have everything that is needed for a fresh start, I would say. And this honor belongs to my batchmates. And this is just the beginning for all of us. That is all. That is it. Thank you.
And thank you all faculty members for your learnings, guidance and support. Thank you.
Thank you so much for appreciating me and honoring me with this award. I've really learned a lot from my journey here at NIA.
Thank you very much for this award, and thanks to all my teachers and faculty members for their continuous support and help till the last moment of MBA journey. So thanks to everyone. Thank you.
Madam, you are muted. Madam, you please unmute. You are muted.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. So congratulations to all our students of batch 1921. We are all proud of you. You work hard, you succeeded, and now you should celebrate. Thank you and good luck. So as we approach the end of today's function, it's time to give you the vote of thanks. I request our dear principal, Dr. Sanjay Mali, to extend the vote of thanks. Dr. Sanjay Mali has been working as principal for past 28 years and comes with the overall experience of 37 years in teaching. To inform all of you, he is also the recipient of Best Principal Award of Savitribai Phule University in the year 2012. I request you to please give away the vote of thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Respected Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, Vice Chancellor, Savitribai Phule Pune University. Respected Mr. M.R. Kumar, Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation of India, and Chairman, Governing Board, NIA. Respected G. Srinivasan, Director, NIA. Respected members of Governing Board who attended today. NIA Chair Professors, Chief Administrators, faculty members, staff, sponsors of the awards, parents and dear students, very good morning to all. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the distinguished Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Nitin Karmalkar, who agreed to join us and grace the occasion. Sir, you rightly pointed out that there are limitations of technology, that empathy and this human touch is somewhere required. So with the examples and live your own life is a great message that you have given. It's really inspired to our students and motivated them to take their career path. Thank you very much, sir. I would also like to thank Mr. M.R. Kumar for being a part of our convocation 2021. Sir, you also rightly mentioned that the business leaders, that global citizens, and how a true professionals should be, and particularly in the field of insurance. So your really this word of advice is maybe a very good or inspiring for message to our students. Thank you very much, sir. So on behalf of the entire PGDM team, I would like to thank to our director, Shri G. Srinivasan, sir, for his constant support and all, of course, the guidance. I express my sincere gratitude to our sponsors of awards and prizes to our PGDM students. I would also like to thank our Chair Professor, Sri Venugopal, Sri Satyakumar, Chief Administrator, Atul Sharma and Administration Department, Mrs. Date and Establishment Department, Mr. Jitendra Varadi and Publication Department, IT Department and Accounts Department. My sincere thanks to all our NI faculty members and staff for cooperating in changing the education mode, and also for counseling, mentoring and preparing students for the better placements. Thanks to the parents for your trust and cooperation in this challenging time. Thank you both Shiaz Datti, Sumit Satpute and Sudeep Dakad, and all the students committee members of PGDM batch 1921. A big thank you to Mrs. Jayasri Sridhar for anchoring today. Finally, my deepest sense of appreciation to all the students for your support in such a tough time. It was we'll not forget your batch. It is a quite unique batch. We look forward to continue this bond with you and NI. I congratulate you all for your sincere efforts. It's indeed a proud moment for all of you. Wish you good luck for your future journey. All the best. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir. The audience, we have literally come to the end of the virtual convocation session. Before we end this wonderful and memorable event, I request our team to play the national anthem. I will request all of you to please rise for the occasion.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव
Thank you very much, sir. I'd like to say thanks on behalf of the entire academy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.